Hi babies, welcome to my channel. Welcome guys. If this is not your first time stopping by, welcome to our family. Welcome. Please do well to subscribe so you can be a member of this family, so we can give you the name Medicine. So if this is not your first time, if you're already a Medicine, welcome back. Please do well to share this video, like this video. You know how we do now. Like it now. Comment and share the video with your friends and family. It's very helpful video. So moving on, today on this YouTube channel, on our YouTube channel, on the streets of YouTube, I'm going to be teaching you how to do this very simple. I think it's not even up to 1 minute safe. Just going to teaching you how to do this lip I have on here today. It's an ombre, simple. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to anywhere. It's just a very simple lip. So if you want to learn how to do this, keep on watching. Bye. I have 3 products here with me: lip liner, a dark shade of lip product, and a kind of light shade that complements this one here. So I'm just going to start off by lining my lips, sharpening the pencil. This is my brow pencil. It's a brown shade. It's like a universal shade you can use to line your lips. So I'm just going to be lining it over the top. I'm going to stop talking now. I'm just going to be overlining it. Now that it's done, we're going to be moving to the second step. We're going to be using the dark shade of lip products that we have here to just line again. So you see that with the lining of the second one, I just kind of brought it in a little bit. So the last thing we're going to be doing is using the lighter shade of the lip products that complements this like dark pink shade here. So this is the light shade of it. This is it. So I'm just going to be using it to fill in the parts in the middle. And smacking my lips. You see how easy that is. This lip product is kind of glossy. It's not all that matte, but I won't say it's kind of, it's not glossy, it's not matte, it's just in between. So just, you want to smack so you get the desired results. And as you can see, this is just very simple and chic and just so pretty. So you can wear this look anywhere. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to church, you can wear it to school, you can wear it basically anywhere. So this is just the simple everyday ombre look that you can wear. So if you want to switch things up a bit, you can add some gloss. I always love to add gloss, so we're going to be adding gloss now. So we're adding gloss. The same way you lined your lips over the top, you want to add gloss over the top too. Like that. And see how pretty it's looking. Yeah, so I just use my hand to take out the excess gloss on the side and in the middle here. So that's it, guys, for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like, I hope you share, I hope you subscribe, I hope you share this video with your friends and family. So thanks for watching.